Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you all how to do these super easy crochet passion twists. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my hair, spritzing a little bit of water, adding some leave-in conditioner before I get started. Once I'm finished with that, I'm going to part my hair horizontally, and then I'm going to part it down the middle and divide it into two sections. So I'm going to secure one of the sections first so it doesn't get in the way while I'm working on the other one. So once I do that, I'm going to moisturize and then I'm going to begin parting my hair so I can begin putting my hair into rubber bands. So I did have to detangle my hair again because I washed it the night before and I just went to sleep. So yeah, so I'm having to put in a lot more work this time around because I did not blow dry my hair out prior to this video. But anywho, so I'm going to start parting my hair, and I did my best to make my parts as straight as possible, especially in the front, but you know what, it is what it is. Did the best that I can. You do the best that you can do. Don't stress over it. But yeah. Now I'm going to start sectioning my hair to create smaller ponytails that I'm going to connect together with the rubber bands, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about in the next clip so you have a better understanding of what I'm doing. So now I'm putting a rubber band on the first ponytail, and then I'm going to connect the hair from that to the other ponytail. So that way I'm only using like 2 rubber bands because I don't want to rubber band both ponytails and then connect it, because I found that to be a little bit too tight for me just doing it previously. So this way is less rubber bands and less stress on your edges and your scalp. So I'm just going to repeat that all over the front half of my head, and once I'm done, I'm going to braid the back half of my head down. So now the front half is complete. I'm going to be braiding my hair down in the back, and like I always say, they don't have to be perfect, just strong enough to hold the crochet hair. And so once I'm done braiding everything down like I normally do, I'm going to sew the ends together so everything will be secure. So now I'm going to crochet the hair in. I am going to use about 5.5 packs for this hairstyle. As you guys see, I'm going to start the front half of my head. I usually like to start at the front and then work my way back just in case I don't have enough hair. I always do that. It's just a little trick if you're ever in a pinch and you can't get as many packs of hair that you may want to get. Start from the front and then work your way back, because you don't need too much in the back, you know. As long as you got the front covered, for the most part, you'll be okay. I also wanted to add that some of the scenes may look a little bit off as far as my positioning or like the lighting. I did have to reset quite a few times during this tutorial. My kids are at home with me. They're not in like a summer program or anything like that. So I had to reset a lot, had to stop, get snacks, entertain, make sure they weren't tearing up the house or about to go to the emergency room because they want to jump off of something. You know how it is, Mom. So just wanted to issue that little disclaimer real quick. So once I'm finished crocheting the hair in, I'm going to clip some of the like strands that may have gotten tangled throughout the process, and I'm going to feel around to see if there's any gaps that may need to be filled with any leftover hair that I have, and just make sure I have the desired look that I want. Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. I really love how this hairstyle came out. Let me know if you guys decide to try it out. Hair information will be down below in the description box, as well as my social media networks. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.